What's up, guys? Today we got a 2010 Silverado with a 5.3 liter LS based engine. He's getting a misfire on number 7. We got codes for the DOD solenoid, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Yeah, so we're gonna go in. So what you're going to want to do is get rid of your intake, and you go and unplug all your injectors, unplug this guy, get rid of all your wiring, injectors on this side, get this guy out of the way, and go ahead and disconnect your fuel line. And we're going to move this guy out of the way as well and unbolt this so that we can get the wire looming out. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to blow all the debris out of here so that obviously nothing goes down the intake on either side. And then we're going to go ahead and unbolt each one of these, both sides, and then we're going to be able to pull this intake off. So let's get at her. All right, guys, so we got that intake off. We're going to clean up this valley a little better when we go to put things back together, but now you can see that this is the deactivation solenoid pack here. If you're gonna do it right. Get yourself a oil sender as well to do. So disconnect that, disconnect the pack, unbolt this, pull it out. Again, make sure you vacuum this out so that you're not getting a bunch of debris in your engine, because that's not gonna help anything. So let's get that done and I'll be right back with it. So you can see we got that valley cover off. You can, if you have a look down here, you can see your cam. Back here, just have a look at those lobes, make sure they're all good. You can see someone's been in here before. They put a pigtail on, likely looking for the same issue, but that's not what the problem is. The solenoid for 7 is no good. So yeah, like I say, let's clean this all up. We'll get that new unit ready. Actually, let's look at the old one. So this is the actual unit. You can see there's a solenoid, there's a solenoid, there's a solenoid, and there's a solenoid. So this one right here at the back, you can see where your this one is no good. This is where your pressure sender spot is, as you can see right here. And what it does is it will let oil in, and that will collapse those lifters to shut down your DOD, or shut down your cylinder, sorry. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put a new one in. All right, we got the new one ready to go in. This one comes with new bolts. It's a bit of a different design, but maybe it's an updated part or something. Anyway, we got this cleaned up. Obviously, you don't want to go ahead and drop your watch in there or something before you put this back on, but yeah, just make sure that you don't have any debris down in there. And yeah, let's go ahead and start buttoning this thing back up. All right, boys, we got ourselves a Timmy's, and we got ourselves a solenoid pack installed. And you're gonna make sure that you want to have the torque specs for this I'm just demonstrating for you guys. I'm kind of letting you know what is going on, so don't take my word for it. Look it all up. But yeah, make sure this is all cleaned up. And we're going to go ahead and put our sender back in and plug that up. Put our wiring back together, put the intake back on. Let's do it. So, one last thing while you're putting it back together, make sure you have new intake gaskets, because someone's already been in here and been reused. You can see that, like, these are things that are no good. Like, they are not going to seal anything. So do yourself a favor, so you don't have to rip the intake off again, and just replace them. All right, guys, we got it all back together. Runs great. No more codes. We fixed up some slip ups by some other mechanics that have been in here. For these great recipes and more, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next video.